The American Muscle Graphics black rocker stripes with the Mustang lettering is a great way to add some customization to the exterior of the 2015 or newer Mustang. He's adding noticeable lower stripe to the rocker panels with some Mustang pride, a stripe that looks like it could have come on the car from the factory. The installation isn't too hard at all, so I'm giving it 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. Now, rocker stripes and things of that nature have been around for decades, going back to the beginning of the original pony car. The classic styling is still to this day being put on Mustangs of any generation, some plain, some different colors, and some with lettering in between. We pretty often see different rocker panels with the GT500 lettering like the original ones from the mid-60s, and you can have that kind of look for your own S550 with the official Ford Mustang lettering on the side. Now, this set comes in gloss black, but it's also available in matte, silver, blue, red, and white. If you're not really feeling the Mustang lettering, you can get it with American Muscle, Mustang GT, the AM logo, GT350, or just rock it plain with no text at all. There's a decal out there for everyone, so if you're into that look, but not that expensive whatsoever. You can grab this set for just about 50 bucks, and you can get it for both sides together. Now, they're made right here in-house at American Muscle Graphics out of the highest quality 4mm wrapping cast vinyl available on the market today. It's got an air release technology underneath the adhesive that helps to push out bubbles and wrinkles easily for a smooth finish once it's on. And when it's on, it's there for at least 8 years, standing through the harshest climate and conditions. But of course, you could remove it at any time with the proper heat gun, but it's not coming off unless you want it to. The protective clear coat keeps it from fading in the sun too. Now, the installation is pretty simple. You'll just need a squirt bottle with a soap and water mixture to clean the area. That's the most important part, making sure the rocker panels are completely clean so the backing gets a good bond with the car. Windex and other chemicals won't work as well as good old soap and water. You have the option of buying the vinyl prep kit on the site, which comes with all the necessary supplies. The deluxe kit takes it even a step farther with extra goodies. Now, it's not required, but it definitely makes things a lot easier. Once the area is clean, you'll wet both sides of the vinyl and a bit of the area as well, and then you'll peel off the backing and stick it on with the help of a friend, which would also make life easier. Once you get it in place, you can straighten it out properly, repeat for the other side, and then the squeegee will push out the bubbles and wrinkles I mentioned earlier. Now, that just about wraps this one up, so if you're the owner of an S550 2015 or newer, you might want to check out the American Muscle Graphics black rocker stripes with the Mustang lettering, which you can find right here at AmericanMuscle.com.